Vitamins. The vitamins word originates from the word vital. Vitamins play protective functions in our body. Various sources of vitamins are green leafy vegetables, milk, egg, fish, and whole grain cereals. Vitamins are different types: vitamin A, C, B, C, D, E, and K. All the vitamins are required for proper functioning of our body. Vitamins which are essential for the proper functioning of our body. Each vitamin has a special function in our body, and deficiency of it in the diet may cause deficiency diseases. So we will study about the table vitamins and its sources. Vitamin A: milk, butter, green leafy vegetables, fruits, carrot, egg, yolk, and fish. And functions are: keeps the skin healthy and smooth, deficiency disease, night blindness, and symptoms. Vitamin B: meat, milk, egg, cheese, green leafy vegetables, sprouts are the sources of vitamin B. Functions: good digestion and overall good health. Deficiency disease, very, and symptoms is inflammation of nerves, digestive problems. Next is vitamin C. Sources are citrus fruit, tomatoes, and sprouts. And functions: keep teeth and gums healthy, help fight infections. And deficiency disease is scurvy, and the symptoms is bleeding gums, loosening of teeth, slow healing of bones, weakness. Vitamin D: milk, butter, fish, eggs, sunlight are the sources, and functions: bone formation, and deficiency disease is rickets, and the symptoms are weak and deformed bones, bow leg, pigeon chest, softening of ribs. Vitamin K: fresh dal, green vegetables. The sources and the functions is help in blood clotting, and deficiency disease excessive bleeding from wounds, and symptoms is delayed clotting of blood. Scurvy. Scurvy leads to the loosening of teeth and bleeding gums due to deficiency of vitamin C. As you know, vitamin C you can complete by the eating of taking of citrus fruits, tomatoes, sprouts. And the function of the vitamin C is keep teeth and gums healthy, helps fight infections. Ricket is the softening of bones in children due to the deficiency of vitamin D, phosphorus, or calcium. The main source of vitamin D are milk, butter, fish, eggs, and sunlight. The main function of vitamin D is to formation of bones. Minerals belongs to the group of protective foods. Minerals are necessary for the normal working of our body. These are required in very small quantity. The various sources of minerals are fresh vegetables, fruits, salt, meat, fish, and eggs. Minerals help in the development of bones and teeth, formation of blood cells, and for the proper functioning of the muscles. About 4% of the body weight of a person is made up of minerals. Deficiency of minerals, diseases, and symptoms are given in this table. Calcium. Calcium is the mineral found in the milk, meat, beans, green leafy vegetable. The function of this is formation of strong teeth, bones, deficiency diseases, rickets in children, and osteoporosis in adults. Symptoms: weak teeth and bones, phosphorus, cereals, meat, milk, and pulses, nuts are the sources, and formation of bones and teeth is the function, and deficiency diseases, rickets in children. And symptoms are weak and poor development of bones, mental retardation, loss of weight. Iron. Iron you can find from the green leafy vegetables, cereals, meat, egg. And the function is the formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells. Deficiency disease is anemia, and the symptoms are fatigue, fight, white nails, pale body, swelling in hands and feet, less stamina. Iodine, the sources: iodized salt, fish, seafood. And the function is the physical and mental growth. Disease is goiter, and the symptoms are swelling of thyroid gland in the neck, retarded growth, mental retardation. Sodium and potassium. Common salt, fruit, fish, green and yellow vegetables, egg, and meat are the sources, and the function is maintain water balance, functioning of muscles and brain. And the deficiency disease, muscles, weakness, and paralysis. Symptoms: general weakness and dehydration. Goiter is the swelling in the thyroid gland which can lead to swelling in the neck due to deficiency of iodine. Obesity. Obesity occurs due to improper food habits and lack of physical activity. Effects of water deficiency in body. Water deficiency in our body causes dehydration. Due to dehydration, body loses its salts, which causes weakness of the body. Dehydration can be treated by giving oral rehydrating solution (ORS) to the patients. ORS can be taken from primary health centers free of cost. If not available, you can also make it at home by mixing 8 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 liter of boiled water. To prevent dehydration, one should drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day, and in addition include fresh raw vegetables and juicy fruits in the diet.